We'll guide you through how to set up TV legs or stands. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So we can go and use the legs or stands here, and we're then able to go and have the TV standing up on a cabinet, a table, or where you want. So we're going to guide you through how this is done. So the legs should have come with the TV and also the screws for the legs as well. In some cases, the screws can go and be built into the stands. In this case, they're not, they're free. And then what we're also going to need is a screwdriver, because you can't just do it with your hands. We're going to need a screwdriver with the correct head. Now what we can do is we can go and move the TV just to the edge here like so. We're going to go and grab one of the legs to get started. So go and look at the leg, and you should then go and look where the stand's going to go. And you can go and see here, this is actually got an alignment. So go and align it in like so. And then what we're going to be able to do is we're just going to be able to go and put the screws in. So that's now sitting in there, and we'll repeat that. I've got them both resting. Now I've got one screw, and you can go and find the screw hole. So what we can do is then go and put the screw in there like so. There it is, and then you can go and use the screwdriver. Usually these can be turning to the right to go and tighten them, but it may be to the left. I've now tightened these both up, and then what we can do is go and stand it up. So that's it, the stand is now successfully installed.